Alright, 7th graders, today we're talking about solving addition and subtraction equations. And, so when you solve an equation, you're trying to find the values of the variable that satisfy the equation. These values are called the solutions. So, taking a look at the subtraction property of equality, if you subtract the same number from each side of an equation, the two sides remain equal. We always have to make sure that our equal sign remains true. So we have to do the same thing on both sides of the equal sign. Otherwise, we've compromised the meaning of the equal sign. So if I look at x plus 4 equals 6, I know you can do this in your head. I know that you know that x equals 2. But you have to be able to show mathematically that you know why x equals 2. So the main reason is that we have an equal sign here. So we know that whatever is here has to be the same as whatever is on the other side. If I take 4 away from this side in order to figure out just what x equals, I have to take 4 away from this side. Otherwise, I haven't done equal things on both sides of the equal sign. Take a look at z plus 3/2 equals 1/2. So once again, I just want to know what z equals. And I have plus 3/2, so I subtract 3/2. And I get 1/2 minus 3/2, which is negative 2/2, which is negative 1. Take a look at b. I have my equal sign here. I want to know what c equals. So to get rid of 15, I subtract 15, and I have negative 8 equals c. And here I want to know what p equals. So I subtract 5. Negative 2 and negative 5 make negative 7. Alright, addition and subtraction are called... before moving on, try letter C for homework. Addition and subtraction are called inverses because they undo each other. For this reason, you can use the additive inverse to solve subtraction equations like x minus 7 equals negative 5. Once again, addition and subtraction are called inverses because they undo each other. For this reason, you can use the subtraction property to solve subtraction equations like x minus 7 equals negative 5. Alright, so if you add the same number to each side of an equation, the two sides remain equal. So here, instead of subtracting, we're going to be adding. I want to know what x equals, so I would add 5 and get 11. Here, I want to know what a equals, so I would add 6 and get 19. On part B, I want to know what y equals, so I would add 7 and get 1. Here I want to know what d equals, so I'd add 3.4 and get negative 5.9. On letter C, I want to know what x equals, so I'll add 8 and get 5. Here I want to know what r equals, so I'd add 4/5 or add 0.8, since I already have a decimal here. Get negative 1.45 equals r. Then we have some word problems to take a look at. What value of n makes the sum of n and 25 equal to negative 18? So the sum tells us to add, and we're adding n and 25 equal to negative 18. Right now I just want you to write the equation. Do not solve them. On the word problems, I just want to make sure we can write the equations. Number 2, what value of y makes the difference of 30 and y equal to 12? Difference tells me to subtract 30 and y equal to 12. You'll notice I go in the same order that the variable and the numbers are given, because there's no than rule making me switch them. Lennon lived 2 years longer than his brother Ben. Ben was 79 at the time of his death. Write and solve an addition equation to find Lennon's age at the time of his death. So, Lennon lived 2 years longer. And Ben was 79. So, this shouldn't be all plus 2. It should be Ben Ben's age plus 2 years equals Lennon's age. So 79 plus 2 equals Lennon's age. And the last one, two angles are supplementary if the sum of their measures is 180 degrees. Angles A and B are supplementary. So A plus B equals 180. If the measure of angle A is 78 degrees, write and solve an addition equation to find the measure of angle B. So all we had to do was fill in our 78 for A. Alright, there are 4 more problems. I'd like you to go ahead and try them for homework. Have a great night.